Hi, Dylan. You sort of mesmerized by the camera. Oh, you're kicking your legs. Let's see your legs. Kick, kick, kick. He's like, I'm not a trained monkey. Dylan was talking a lot a little bit ago. Maybe he'll talk again. Oh, we just got a smile.
Oh, we're doing a little video.
You're taking a little video.
You have to tell me so I'm staying in my place.
I did.
Blub,
Blub, blub. Let's do a close up on Babyface. Oh, hi, Babyface.
Nothing?
Where's Mama? Stop looking at the camera. Look at Mama.
Okay. Hey! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Really? Nothing? Waka waka waka. Okay, wanna do stretches? You like your stretches?
Stretches.
Are you drunk? Oh, that milk you drink.
Oh, milk drunk is best kind.
Elephant and the lion and the giraffe and the crocodile on your shirt. Up,
up, down,
up, down, up, down. I love bicycles. Let's do a little dance, huh? Yeah. Samra's auntie made him do his first dance. It's called the pigeon dance from Sesame Street.
He's really smiling though.
I mean, it's good.
He'll put on his face.
Kick, kick, left, right.